Today we are going to learn how to write the Visual Basic programming. In earlier two classes, I have make you understand what are the components, what is the use of the components, and how they are going to be used in the for creating the user interface of a program. Now today we will write a simple program. Though there is no programming concept in this chapter, but we have to learn it how to write the programming in the Visual Basic. So what will be the program? Program will be that there will be two text box. We will take two numbers, and with the button click the values of the text box has been added and it will going to be displayed. So how many text box I require? I can with the go with the two, but for your convenience I am going to use the three text box. So what will be going to happen? I will take three text box over here, one, then another one, and then another one. Three text box I have taken over there. In these three text boxes, what I am going to do, I am going to accept the values from the user. Now what is going to happen? I require three labels. Three labels means from the text box we are not able to understand what is to be entered into the text box. So what we are going to do? We are using three labels. First one for the first text box, second one for the second text box. I have to do it second one for the second text box, and the third one for the third text box. Fine. Now in the label what we can write? We can write the first number, second number, and the third number. How to change the labels? We know that one. For that we have to go to the property box. So I have selecting the property of the first label. Now what will going to be happen? Label 1, it has been written over there. I can change it. Okay, I am not going to change right now. Why? Because we don't have so much of time because in the video there is a limitation of the time. So here I can click. Now once again I can do that label 2 and go to the caption and change that one. Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to import a button. What we are going to do? We are going to take a button over here. That button, I told you the by default it will be command 1, command 2, command 3, like that one. It will command 1. In the same process, by clicking it and go to the caption, we can property box, we can change the name of this command button. So what will going to happen? I can change this one. Here the text 1, text 2, text 3 is written over there. Okay, now I am going to change the text 1, text 2 or text 3. Okay, because if the text 1, text 2 and text 3 is written over there, it will looks very odd. First I am going to change the text 1. I have make it blank. Then the text 2, I am going to make it blank. Text 2 is going to be, we have to go to the make it blank over there. It has become blank. Text 1 has been left. So what I am going to do? I am going to make the text 1 also the blank. Text 1 is also blank. Now what we are going to do? I will double click on the command button. Double click on the command button. I am going to double click on the command button. It will take you to the code window. What it will do? It will take me to the code window. Now here I am going to write the code. Okay, here I am going to write the code. How I will write the code? I can write, I know that one by default, the name of the text boxes are text 1, text 2, text 3. Text 1 dot text, text 2 dot text, text 3 dot text. Now I am going to write it. The code has been written like that. Text 1, text 3 dot text means in the text box number 3 the values are going to be displayed, means after the addition the values are going to be displayed, is equal to val text 1 dot text plus val text 2 dot text. Now the question may arise in your mind, why I have used this val? I can write text 1 dot text plus text 2 dot text. If I write that one, suppose in the text 1 I have taken 23. Now in the text 2 I have taken 3. So what will be the, if you add that one, it will be 26. But if I don't use the val, it will be 2, 3, 3. Means whatever you enter, what will be 2, 3, 3. First value I have taken 23. Second value I have taken 3. If I add this one, it will be the 26. But why that 2, 3, 3 has been displayed? Because everything that has been entered into the text box, it is treated as a text, and plus operator at that time will work as a string concatenation, means it will add all the strings. Okay, 2, 3, 3. Three things will be added over there. For that I have to use the val function. The val function is going to convert the numeric values into the text values into the numeric. So val text1 dot text, whatever I have given, suppose 23 I have given, it has converted as the numeric. Now val text2 dot text, it has been going to convert it into the numeric. Otherwise 23, 24, 5, 6, whatever you have given, it is treated as a text and it will be going to be concatenated. And the end sub, these two lines, first line private sub command 1 underscore click, and end sub, these two will going to be written there. You don't have to write that one, you have to write this code over there. Thank you.